Due to nutritional deficiencies, viral infections, environmental factors like pollution, if you're living in Delhi like me, then you are not new to this pollution and you must also be suffering from hair loss, brittle hair, hair fall, and so many other hair issues. So let's talk about this today. I'm Dr. Anika Goel, Chief Consultant Dermatologist and Hair Transplant Surgeon at Soul Derma Clinic, New Delhi. In this video, I'll be discussing the difference between hair fall and hair loss, the types of hair loss, the causes of hair loss, and the treatments as well as costing involved. Before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel as this motivates me to make further educational content. And now let's dive in. Now, the golden question: what is the difference between hair fall versus hair loss? Hair fall is when you'll see more than 100 hair per day falling out of the head, so you can actively see the hair coming out of your scalp. So for example, you may even see the roots attached to the hair. Whereas hair loss refers to hair thinning, where you'll actually just see a reduction in the density of hair, so you may not even realize until it's been a few months or even years of losing that density. You may even look back at old pictures and feel, oh, my hairline was ahead, or the hair looked thicker, more luscious. Hair thinning or hair loss is primarily due to genetic factors. You may not even have a family history, but you can still suffer from hair loss. Other factors that can trigger it or make it worse are poor lifestyle, which includes your diet, stress, lack of sleep, and all of the things that we need for a healthy body, healthy mind, and of course, healthy hair. These factors are really important. Along with this, your diet is so important. Our hair is essentially made of protein, vitamins, and minerals. So if your diet is lacking, then you should definitely add on supplements, because this is so important in healthy hair. Apart from this, the most important is hormonal factors. Now, there are different grades of baldness, and hair loss can occur in both men and women. When it's in men, this is a hormonal type of hair loss, which is caused due to the DHT present. This leads to a thinning of the hair strands. So they're not actually falling. The hair strands are becoming thinner and thinner with time. And we grade this using Norwood Hamilton Grading System, which has 7 grades, which go up to someone that may be completely bald. Now, for women, there are 3 major types of baldness. Usually, women will see that the central partition is widening, and that is how they distinguish that they are having thinning. Hair loss or hair thinning treatment options are very limited, and you have to understand this is a very natural process, so you need to treat it sooner rather than later. In the initial stages, advanced growth factor concentrate is a fabulous procedure that I follow in my clinic to help recover the density, slow down the hair loss, and maintain the hair. If you wait too long, eventually, if the baldness is exceeded and maybe even reach grade 7 baldness or a very visible baldness, in that case, maybe hair transplant will be the option for you. To understand the cost involved in hair transplant and hair loss therapy, you can check out the link in my description below. This will cover all of the factors involved. We may not be able to control environmental factors, but many things are in our hand. So if you're suffering from hair loss, consult your dermatologist today and do not wait until it's too late. I have many patients that regret not seeking treatment sooner, so make sure you take care of it today. If you find this video helpful, like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel.